Hello and welcome. I am the awful chef. I gotta eat, so you better make something to eat. Tonight's dinner recipe is so simple, I'm not even going to bother you by demonstrating it. I'll just tell you about it. It's a very, very authentic pasta dish. And it's, what have I got here? Butter. Yeah, it's about a third of a stick of butter. We're going to be using all of that. We have lemon zest, oh yes, in olive oil. The thing that's very interesting, and this is a neat trick, is that when you zest a lemon, there's a lot of oils released. If you zest a lemon over a wooden cutting board, which I cannot say properly, a wooden cutting board, the oils will soak into the wood. So I zest over a metal bowl. You'll be using the juice of one slightly bare-skinned lemon, which I will use the juicer for. And the magic ingredient, frozen peas. In a resealable bag. Let's see if I can hide the brand name. Resealable bag. Yes, it comes out in nice mirror vision there. And of course, half a pound of pasta. Well, spaghetti in this case. Don't forget the Parmesan or the world will come to an end. Yeah, that's it. Melt some butter. Throw in some lemon zest. Throw in some frozen peas, throw in some pasta, add some lemon juice. You want to add that last to keep it as fresh as possible. And then sprinkle Parmesan on the top. Yeah, dinner. It is still that easy. So, to my subscribers, thank you. In YouTube world, subscribers are blood. And I need every one of you, or this channel will die. YouTube is slowly sending me to jail. So please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It costs you nothing. It's an annoying little click, and it does everything in the YouTube universe. And why should you subscribe? Well, I had to go to town the other day and buy smaller pants. Yeah. This food is healthy, and it will allow you to lose weight, and it is good for you. Especially if you eat cyclically, meaning that you eat meat and then you don't eat meat. Our heavy reliance on meat is, well, it's good if we're farmers. Meat is an excellent source of nutrition, but we just need to stop overdoing it. And once we do that, our cholesterol goes down, our body weight goes down, and we have to go buy smaller pants. So that's it. Thank you. I hope you're enjoying this. I'm sorry it wasn't very exciting, but tonight is just butter, lemon, peas, pasta, and Parmesan. I could dance for you if that would help, but dinner's simple. Dinner's easy, and it's pretty good, too. Thanks. Goodbye.